Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it might cause the interference, and let me explain why. If you have a case that's not like mine, so it actually covers a little bit of the screen, then that might already be an issue. So you definitely want a case that does not touch your bezels or the screen itself, because as you guys can see, I'm touching the part of the screen now, and if I tap it, then I won't be able to use my other finger. So that's what the case can do. That's how your screen can become unresponsive, and you definitely do not want that. Now moving on to the screen protector, if the screen protector is poorly applied or it's just a bad quality screen protector, then that might cause the issues of your screen being less responsive than usual, and you definitely want to remove it if it's the case. So now after that, what you guys can do is grab any cloth, like a microfiber cloth or just a normal cloth, and clean your screen. So this way you will get rid of any debris or moisture. And I have a cloth with me right here. It's a normal cloth, and all I have to do is swipe it on the screen and our screen should be clean now. So after that, what can we do? We can go over and force restart our phone if nothing changed. So to do the force restart, not the normal restart that we know of, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button for more than 10 seconds. So let me do the first method, which is holding the power button, and after we see the menu pop up, we automatically click on the volume down button. Now we have to hold them for more than 10 seconds. And now our screen went black, everything's good. We just wait for it to turn back on, and then our phone will simply restart. So now we can let go of every single key on our phone, and I'll see you guys once the phone restarts entirely. Now after our phone has successfully force restarted, what can we do as a last resort is update our software. So go over to the settings, now scroll down until you guys see the system updates, and here select the software update. It will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software. I do not have any updates, but if you do, then I recommend you guys do them because they can fix a lot, including your screen being less responsive than usual. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.